everybody, it's Kat from Creative Crafts, and today's video is going to be about me opening up a box that they call it Restlager, or it's about items that were overstocked or they want to get rid of them fast. I don't know what's in this box. It's something that they do right now on the internet, but that's normally in the United States. Here in Germany, you can't buy refunds in these pallets like they do in the States. At least I have not found it here on the Amazon DE. If I want to buy it from the States, I'll be paying an arm and a leg just for the shipping, so can't do that. So I'll be paying an arm and a leg for the shipping, so I can't do that. So now I'm going to get the box in. Let's see what's in this box. It's just all kinds of odds and ends. You don't know what's in the box. It's from a company that buys all these overstocked items. And what is overstocked, and they buy it from them for a cheap price. They put everything in the box. There's supposed to be 50 pieces. It could be 50 pieces of bubble gum, and it could be 50 pieces of paper. I have no clue. So let's hope my 37 euros that I paid for this box, at least I get something out of it. So here's the box. It's a pretty good size box. It's not really tiny. I'm just going to get a knife so I can cut off the plastic. Let's see if I got anything that was worth what's in it. I don't know if the paper here says anything. I'm just hoping that at least I get something that I'm happy about, because I was reading the reviews on this company, and the reviews actually weren't the best. Does it say on here what's in here? Yeah, it says Restposten nur neu, wer mich wer Handelpaket. Yeah. We'll see what's in there. I'm a little nervous. I'm afraid that I really spent so much money on something that I'm not going to be happy with. Alright. You gotta be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. Oh my god. I just bought a new notebook, and it's this size. Wow. Wow. This was worth it, definitely. Alright, let's see. Items for my work. Pair of underpants. I can give it to my son. This is too funny. Actually, I was afraid I was going to get a big bag of bubble gum or something like that. So a lot of people were saying that it was shit. But, oh my god, I needed new ones. Now I don't have to buy any. This is freaking awesome. I got sponges. I don't have to buy any. Some kind of a cable. Something for an internet. For Abschlusskabel. It's for all kinds of connections. Here. That's pretty cool. I can probably sell that on there. Handy cover holder. Wow. Oh, I got another one. I could probably sell these for like $2 on Amazon, and I almost get all my money just for everything already here. I think this is a flag, and most likely it looks like it's a Brazilian flag, which is also good to have. Decorations, plastic. Wow. I'm a little surprised. Connection for something to your car, the lighter in the car. More cables. I got a lot of cables in here. Pair of socks. Well, how about that? They'll fit me. A lot of little connection things that we could probably sell on the internet. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. I'm really shocked. Alright, people, I'm sorry, but this somehow the phone, this is for a Galaxy Notebook phone, Uni 7. I can resell this because it's never been opened. Let's see. Oh, pair of gloves. Could probably give it out as a present. Oh, maybe they'll fit me. They're tiny. I got tons of these elastics for these bands that you can make things with. Got a couple of those. Tons of those. A little blow thing. Another set of gloves. Some more cables. Tasha warmer. Oh, that's cool. I got another butter knife. Not butter knife, bread knife. Actually, it's pretty good. I thought would I get something better, but you know, at least got a lot of these notebook things here. Another Tasha warmer, which I can probably sell. Little gloves, I can sell those. A flashlight. Personal alarm system. Let's see how much that costs when we look. There's another handy. I'm going to see if I can sell this on Amazon or eBay. Tons of them. This one's pretty cool. Ah, it's a magnet. Got a Playboy one. How about that? Okay, little things that you can... Oh, this lights up. Is that cool? Well, I could say that it wasn't worth the money, but I got a lot of these things. This is real leather. It's dark green. It's a pretty good, cool one. Polka dotted one. I got a lot of these rubber bands for these, you know, there's things that the kids do, right? Well, they did. I'm not sure if they do it anymore. Here's another one for a phone. Little cards to say thank you with. Fake grapes. And again, little connections and stuff like that. Let's see what else I have here. Little black flowers for like knickknacks. And here's one of these bracelet things. It says Rockstar on it. Another personal alarm that you connect to your phone if anything happens. They say it's extremely loud, so I'm not going to play around with that. More connection for like I guess, the phone system. Change purse. Don't really work. This one does. That's pretty cool. And it connects to the keys if you want to put some money in it. My husband will probably kill me when he sees me. I paid 37 euros for this junk. I don't think it's actually all junk. I mean, there's some pretty cool stuff in here. I mean, some are really stupid. Like, I got tons of cables. I wasn't going to spend any more than I have to, definitely on that. Oh, it's a little light. I'm sure I have to put batteries in it. Yeah. This is cool. I can't get it open. Alright, I'll try it later. But it's like a mirror. I guess maybe you can stand it somewhere. It's a LED light. That's pretty cool. Can put that on the side. But I'm really shocked about the laptop book pad, and then the socks. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Got some socks, like I said. I got at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these kind of handy covers. And then I have 4 of these different ones. This one's for a Samsung Galaxy Note 7. This is for Hawaii GB. This one is also for a Galaxy. And this is also for the P9 Lite Hawaii. Or Hawaii? Hawaii. I never heard of that brand before. Tons of socks. Got some gloves. Tons of cables. I don't even know why I even bother try to make a video with this camera. Like I said, I got a lot of things I thought were pretty cool. Some lady wrote that she got 50 types of bum candies, and I was worried I was going to get this. When I first received the box, for me it was pretty heavy. So I was really happy that it was a little heavy. I thought maybe there's some kind of electronics in it. And I'm pretty stoked about the notebook cover here to carry my notebook in. I should go check it out. Put it over my notebook, and I'll let you see. I'll come back and let you know if it fits. Hi everybody. So all in all, that package that I got, I mean, I paid 37 euros for it, and yeah, it's pretty much normal that I wouldn't get that too lucky with it, especially here in Germany. But these are nice, actually, really well-made socks for my husband for the winter. So, I mean, sometimes you buy these, you pay $7.99 maybe for the pack of good-looking, good, thick socks. So I got 20 euros here. And I got some of these. I paid 50 cents maybe for them. And then I got some decorations, which I could use for my projects that's coming up. You know, I just got some small stuff, but I pretty think maybe I'm lucky and I got what's worth everything. So I hope you like this video. I know it's random bull that I did. So yeah, check this video out. Give it a thumbs up with what you think. I was bored, and I wanted to see here in Germany if I got lucky, just like the people do in the United States when they buy these rest posts or stuff that's been over-ordered and they wanted to get rid of the stuff. Pretty much a lot of the things are like 10 euros for the product. I got a scanner on my phone and checked out some of the prices, and I'm pretty, yeah, if I wanted to sell them for maybe a little cheaper, I definitely would get my money back for what I bought from there. Will I buy again from there? No. No. If I can find a way to get returns like the people do in the States here in Germany, I may do that. But the thing is, a lot of people here in Germany, you can't really trust them. You'll know that if you open up a box, it may not be what's in there. There's a lot of people here, you know, the Germans itself, you can trust them. But there's so many people who here and right now at the moment in Germany that you cannot trust. And then, you know, that's just how it is. My battery is about to die. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Sorry this video is a very odd one right now. But I can guarantee you, maybe it's the beginning of next month, my videos will be like they used to be. You'll see my face, the beginning, and we explain everything correctly. But these are just quick videos right now because it's the only way I can do it at the moment. But like I said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!